or physician na naka-assign per day. Yung sa IM, sa surgery, yung mga ganon. So whatever will be your case, you will be handed over to the specialized doctor during that time. Second, the hospital shall deduct all bills chargeable to PhilHealth and other applicable insurances from accredited HMOs from the hospital bills, provided all necessary approval from the HMOs, papers or documents are accomplished before the discharge date. And facilitate 11 RCDG regular and service personnel's healthcare services and assistance through the OPD PhilHealth Consulta package program. So, for the information of everyone, that's the newest facility service that we are adding in our facility. So that's under the Universal Healthcare Law, mandating all Filipinos to be seen by a doctor. So the basic service physicians. Next is Adventist Hospital Davao support the advocacy of the reservists and ROTC cadets in the Davao region and the health awareness program of the 11 RCDG and Radio Reserve units. And lastly, upon request and subject to the availability of our medical staff, Adventist Hospital Davao shall provide a medical team to join our 11 RCDG medical mission or other related community outreach programs with the incorporation of the PhilHealth Consulta package program. So just like what Colonel Ruby has mentioned a while ago, we were able to send Dr. Casio in helping you with, that was the first partnership actually, no, that we have had, even though we still do not have this signing program. Pero our partnership has already begun and already existed. Thank you also for sending five or more personnel, Colonel Rubio, in participation for the AHD bloodletting. So thank you, our workers here we're so amazed seeing many in uniform during that time, and they were feeling very secure because you are here. Colonel Josh. Okay, so both 11 RCDG and Adventist Hospital Davao shall both agree on the above-mentioned statement and agreement, and that willing to support each other in support of our respective mission, and closely coordinate and collaborate in pursuit of social, economic development, and nation building. Okay, so the formal signing of our Memorandum of Partnership Agreement signing ceremony between 11 RCDG and Adventist Hospital Davao. So right now, our main signatories are already sitting, seated on the chair and on the table. So that's Dr. Jonathan Casio on Adventist Hospital Davao side and Colonel Josue Caperto, 11th Regional Community Defense Group. And also witnessing the momentous event are our Adventist Hospital Davao Administrative Council and Colonel Rubio Leandro and our enlisted 11th Regional CDG. And Colonel, and also our respected guests, kindly stand here. So sa side sa HD, itong mga side, so, and also with our Philippine Army. Together for the betterment of our communities in areas of health, disaster response, and community development. Can I ask everyone to please give a round of applause, please, for this historic partnership? Thank you so much. Another picture taking, I will join.
April Grace. Ma'am Grace. Dari Ma'am Grace. Lihat. Lihat. Ganun niya.
Good morning, everyone.